All right, welcome back to Triple B, or Baker's Baking Baked. This is episode 2, and today's is going to be even simpler than last week's. I mean, I said it was simple last week. This week, even simpler. Less ingredients and shorter time. I like to call them crack cookies. 2 reasons why I like to call them crack cookies. First, you'll understand as we bake them at the end, you gotta crack them. And the other reason, because how funny is it when someone asks, "Hey, what are you eating there?" A delicious crack cookie.
What cookies?
So I'll walk you through today's super simple but delicious crack cookies. Then we preheat the oven to 400, pop these suckers in for 5 minutes. Sprinkle some chocolate, dark chocolate morsels on them. Wait for them to melt.
Nice and smooth.
Then pop them in the fridge for 30 minutes to set. And then you just gotta crack them, hence the crack cookies.